Are you tired of trying revolutionary AI tools that promise the world but no result? We have tested 200 plus tools, and these 10 blew our minds. These tools are so powerful, they're literally reshaping industries, and some are making even Elon Musk afraid. Welcome to AI Money Secrets, your favorite spot for AI breakdowns. If you're into AI tools, subscribe, drop a like, and let's get into the good stuff. We start from the number 10, Runway ML. Let's start strong with Runway ML, a tool that turns text into full-blown videos. Describe a scene, choose style and music, and boom, instant video creation. It even has features like AI slow motion, background removal, and upscaling old footage. How to use: sign up at runwayml.com, select Gen 2 text to video, type your prompt and hit generate. 9. NVIDIA Canvas plus Omniverse. NVIDIA is quietly changing the game with AI tools for visual creators. Canvas lets you paint landscapes that instantly become photorealistic. Broadcast removes background noise on video calls. And Omniverse? It's like Figma, but for 3D artists. How to use: download NVIDIA Canvas, free with RTX GPU. Draw a scene. Watch it convert to realistic imagery. Use broadcast and zoom, OBS to enhance video audio. 8. Kyber. Upload a photo or song, add a prompt, and Kyber turns it into a trippy AI video. Even Linkin Park used this tool for their viral music video. How to use: go to kyber.ai, upload your media. Plus add a text prompt, click render, and download your AI music video. 7. Deep Nostalgia. This one's creepy, but cool. Upload a photo, and it animates the face with lifelike movement. Perfect for reviving old photos. How to use: use MyHeritage's Deep Nostalgia tool, upload a face photo, watch it blink, smile, and turn its head. 6. LeiaPix. LeiaPix turns your images into 3D motion shots. It's free and gives your photos depth. Great for Instagram Reels or animated stories. How to use: visit LeiaPix.com, upload your image, choose animation settings and export as GIF or MP4. 5. Wisdolia. Wisdolia creates smart flashcards from any web page. Use it with Anki and you'll retain 2 times more info. How to use: install Wisdolia Chrome extension. Visit any article, click the icon, auto-generated flashcards appear. 4. PimEyes. Ever wondered where your face shows up online? PimEyes finds every web page that has your face. How to use: go to PimEyes.com, upload your photo. Get results. Note: paid feature for full access. 3. Rewind AI. Rewind records your screen, audio, and actions, then makes everything searchable like a personal time machine, all stored locally. How to use: install Rewind AI. Mac only for now. Let it run in background, press Command, plus Shift plus space to search past activity 2. 2. Stable Diffusion. Create custom images locally with this powerful open source tool. You control the prompt, quality, and style. How to use: install Stable Diffusion via Auto 1111. Enter prompt plus settings. Click Generate. Download image. 1. MidJourney. MidJourney makes jaw-dropping visuals using prompts, but it runs through Discord. How to use: join MidJourney Discord, use/imagine, plus your prompt, upscale plus download. These tools are rewriting the rules of work, creativity, and communication. Elon Musk once said, AI could be more dangerous than nukes, and after testing these, I finally get what he meant. If you want more in-depth AI breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment with your favorite tool, and we'll catch you in the next video.